Back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a nature walk. So first we start off with two trails with me to go that way and go this way. I'm going to go straight from the start, which there's a park named. So there's one, two, three, four. There's four choices here. There's this way, there's this way, there's this way, and there's this way. I'm also going to turn this way. I'll probably go back through the video and then turn this way. If you just want to watch my finger, I'll point to where I'm going. Okay. I'm honestly just guessing from where I want to go. Okay, there's two ways right there. There's one right here. Go straight. I'm going straight. You can go back through that way if you want to quit. There's another way right there. And there's a way right here. If you just go straight again. Okay, and turn in. Turn right there. Now, from here on, I'll probably be going straight. Or I'll just be making zigzag turns like this. If you want more videos on nature walks like this, I would gladly do one. There's a trail right there. And in this video, you'll see fences and stuff. So if you hear birds chirping, there's fence and trees and stuff. I'll probably also have a video of the park that I'm about to go to after this. And also after this trail, I will make another video on going on this trail into the lake. So this is going to be part 1 on land. We'll have a part 2 on the lake. There's 2 ways to go to the lake because I already been on this trail. I just did it before this vlog. So if you like, oh, that's really cool. That would be cool to bring my bike on. So I've been this way. Just there's a really cool mountain that I want to go on to show the film. So here, it starts right here, and it goes down. I'll take you down. It goes down and then curves like this, and then you literally walk along, and then you come up on houses, and then you just walk back. Unless you want to go up on the houses, which really isn't that fun, because then you have to walk all the way. You have to walk through a neighborhood to get back to a park, which I honestly don't want to do. That's a very dark spot. It's very dark there. Alrighty. See? Kind of curves right here. And if you're wondering what this band-aid on, band-aid is on my hand, it is, I burnt myself, and I went to go pull a band-aid off, and it tore skin. Oh, and if you like my shoes, comment down below. There's a huge little, this is kind of like an incline right here. You go down. If you want me to go down there, I'll comment #muckboots, and I will bring my muck boots, and I will climb down there, and hopefully I will find. Oh God, this is some steep stairs. Ugh. Okay, so like I said, there is a fence. I kind of want to be quiet because there's people that lives here, so it's really cool. So I'm gonna go back all the way back through. I'm gonna take a trail back, a different trail back, because I don't want you guys to be bored just doing straight up, just walking through the same trails and talking about the same exact things. So I can ask to bring another car. I'll bring my muck boots. I'll bring my bike. Tell me what else you guys want me to bring, I have my scooter today, so I'll probably be doing a drifting video later, which will be very hard. So I'll probably have my dad film this. Okay, so instead of going back that way, instead of going up that hill, I just kind of curved around. But then there's no other trail back, so I'm just gonna go up and then take a different trail and show you guys the lake for the next video. And hopefully I can find the sunset before it goes completely dark. Which you guys probably think it's going dark. It's obviously not. It's just the bushes and the stuff going. Here's the really dark area. See, and if you hear those are gunshots from the shooting range down that way. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more nature walks and like this video. And go subscribe to Xbox 180. He's a filmer, and actually, you should go give him some love and support because his pet fish died today, and he had to make a funeral on it. And I watched that video, and so go give him some love, because if you ever lost an animal, it's really hard to let him go. And I know that it's very, I can't go all the way down there, but ooh, there's this bird. There's nests and there's a lake right there. So this is as far as I can go. So technically that was going to be the video, the lake video, because I thought I could go farther. But obviously not. Maybe I'll just do different trails. See if I can end up somewhere else. So if you see those lights over there, it's the ballpark that my brother's playing at. And yeah. So here's the fence again, so that I know I'm not getting lost. Just look for the fence and stuff. I'll take a different trail back so that I don't. It just led me to the same track. I literally went nowhere. And also, if you want me to bring my scooter down here, like into this part of the woods, I would gladly do so. But you have to give us love and support to be able to do this. I'm not going to go those two ways because I already took those ways and it's very boring. So, bench, actually, I'm going to sit on this bench. I am very exhausted. Pretty comfortable bench, actually. You can still hear gunshots and trucks and cars. They're really quiet. And airplanes. Okay. And if you want me to, I'm buying airsoft guns. And if you want me to, maybe I can give my brother an airsoft gun or my cousin or someone. And we can have like an airsoft shooting in here. But hopefully not get kicked out because I honestly didn't even read the rules coming here. So once I leave this thing, I'll probably start a brand new video and show you the sign. And then that's the end of our video. So I hope you liked this video. Why don't you subscribe? I can go that way in the next video. I'll probably go other ways in the next video. So I don't have to just fill you guys with boredom. Because I know you guys are probably just here to sit down and watch interesting videos. So here we are. Here's what No bikes. No motorized vehicles. Hey, they never said scooters. I'm good. Okay.